Hi, my name is Jorgen Hohen. This is provisioning a user in Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Worked in Marketing Cloud for 6 years, set it up from scratch. Marketing Cloud is a very good tool. Think of Groupon. Here we go. First off, you go to Setup, and of course I need to move my mug here. I'll move it over here. So you go to Setup, then you go to Business Units, right? And this is the way you segment is by business units versus if you don't segment, you can use Datorama. Set that up. And then here you can see what's the parent. So you have a parent, right, where you can keep all your content, right, and then share the content in the different business units, meaning approved content, right? And here you can the manage roles, the delete, create, view users, define a subscriber import list, right? And here's the number of users, say, in the first business unit, 64, 33, 52. The big advantage of Salesforce Marketing Cloud is the licenses by instance, not by user, like in regular Salesforce. Salesforce Sales Cloud, per user per month. Here, it's per instance. And then business unit is probably, I don't know what it was, 60K, might be more or less now. They changed pricing. So here, for instance, you can look in the business unit, well, what's the role? Unlike other clouds, in Salesforce Marketing Cloud, the most restrictive role. So if I was the administrator and the content coordinator, right over here, content coordinator permissions override my administrator permissions. Key thing to watch. And here, for instance, is, okay, who am I? And then what, it's a allow or not allow, a Boolean, right? Do you have audience builder access, social engage, Marketing Cloud, Marketo access, developer, mobile connect, automation studio, all the automations, you drop in files, you put it into an S3 bucket, and you do some SQL, right? Email, discover, campaign analytics, administration, can they have access, audience builder, express, email, and journey builder, mobile push, right? What does each user have access to in the business unit? And so there's a lot. And here, this is for going further down. Express, approve, distribute, sending, journey builder, hub exchange, Adobe Analytics, right? Tags, extension manager. I'm just going through it. Like, people don't realize how much capability there is in Salesforce Marketing Cloud. This shows you content builder, send email wizard, workflows, advertising studio audiences, that you then put into, say, marketing Facebook or Google perimeter geo-fenced ads, right? Salesforce DMP, Interaction Studio, event notifications, audit trail. See all this? Einstein Data Analytics, Package Manager, content build, etc. Right? So there is a lot in Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Provisioning a user has a lot of knock-on effects. Do it right. You can see the functionality in here. You can have 60 people in a business unit, each specialist in each one of these fields, and do really well. And again, it's the most restrictive role that you assign a user that determines their entire permissions. And with that, thank you so much. Have a great day. If you have any questions, reach out to me.